Welcome to day 49 of the Quantex Pro AI live trading journal, a fully transparent educational demonstration of an automated gold trading strategy on XAUUSD. Right now, gold is trading near 4,326,000, and the algorithm has just opened a buy position showing plus $4,806 in unrealized profit fit. Account balance $356,141. Equity $360,947. Let's watch how the bot manages this setup in real market conditions. Price has reached a key support area the AI was monitoring. The buy position continues building momentum with strong plus $5,544 unrealized profit, pushing equity to $361,685. This demonstrates how algorithmic precision can capture optimal entry points during bullish reversals. We're now seeing a consolidation phase. The first trade has closed at plus $4,182, securing profits while the system continues monitoring for additional setups. Notice the disciplined approach. The EA locks in gains systematically while maintaining exposure to capture the full move. 100% hands-free execution, zero emotional interference. All positions closed automatically by the expert advisor. Final balance, $360,941.23. Here's today's complete summary. 4 fully automated trades: sell plus $4,182, buy plus $306, buy plus $3,000, and buy plus $4,800. Session total, plus $12,288 with 100% win rate. This account grew from $50,000 to $360,941.23 in 49 days. Remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, and trading carries substantial risk. Join our free Telegram community for daily journals and EA resources. Link below. If you found this valuable, subscribe for day 50 tomorrow. Trade responsibly.